What y'all think? You like the haircut? I mean, besides me going bald right here, it looks okay. So I'm here at this bin store. Let's see if you can see it right there. Black Fridays. And let's see what I find. Sells Amazon liquidations, returns. It has retail liquidation from, I'm not sure, Walmart. I don't really see, I do see some Walmart, there's Target, there's Dollar General, and I've seen Lowe's. I've seen other places. I just can't think of everything right now, so let's just jump into this video. Thank you guys for being here. All right, so at these liquidation stores today, everything is $4. So every item I find, $4. Easy $14 with the rank of 900 in clothing. On this item, nobody was selling it on Amazon, so I decided to look it up on eBay. I found one listing for about 25, and then I found a sold comp for around 25 also, so I made up my own price on Amazon. And I had to get rid of the volume on this YouTube video, because the liquidation store, they always play music and it's copywritten, so I had to zero out the music and put my voice, which I don't like talking so much, but let's get it done. Look at all these games. I heard from the girl that works there that somebody came in the morning and bought a bunch of games for $4 a piece. So these are all the leftover games. I found about 2 or 3 items, I think. I got this TurboTax, of course. I love selling that. Phenomenal rank of 87 in software. Easy $12. Cha-ching, $11. This was bought by accident. I'll actually lose money, so I'll just give it as a present. All right, just finished in there. $20 spent. Let's continue to the next store in the Northeast. More games, but pretty much the same deal as the other store. If they're still here tomorrow for $2, I might be picking a lot of these up. But for $4, nah. This item's actually cut through the back, so I'll sell it as acceptable, the lowest condition, and I'll still profit $20, and it's a good rank for books. Throw this item in a box, ship it to Amazon FBA, and wait for my $10 to roll in. Books, and more books. Keep them coming. Someone tell me how much profit I got in the comments below. I'm losing track. I'm gonna take a little break from talking, so y'all enjoy. All right, break's over. I'm looking, and bam, this book was underneath that. Anatomy, a textbook, probably a college textbook, I don't know. I just know it's worth money. So I know these are worth like $20 brand new, and I want to buy it and give it away to somebody that needs it. I've given away one before, and I want to do it again to somebody barely starting out. Get in the bag. And I may look like a creep going through the bins, looking at all these bras. You see me inspecting them, and women just looking at me like I'm crazy, but hey, money ain't crazy. And for right now, this is a no-go. Maybe on a cheaper day, if it's still there. So with these shorts, there's nobody else selling them on Amazon. They had 114 reviews in the past. So obviously they used to sell really good. And I have no competition. So as you can see on the left, I'm going to list it right here, right now. So I have sold these in the past. They have a good rank in toys. I have a few already headed to FBA, and now I have 3 more. I'm making $9 each, so 9 times 3, boom, $27. Easy. So I spent 40 something. I think 44 it was. I got some killer books. Big profits. $4 a day, few $100s in books and different items. Damn. So I have enough to eat, put a little bit of gas, and I'm gonna stop at Walmart or Sam's Club. We'll see what I find. Make some more money real quick. And it makes good content for these videos, right? Hey, look, check out El Paso. That's the mountains right there. The Franklin Mountains. Cool, huh? Let's drop these off real quick. So I just checked that they all have labels on them, because in the past I have thrown away packages and money before, probably like a few $100. So I've learned my lesson. Always check the labels, that there is a label on the package. I forgot I was on that challenge, so I'm not gonna eat today. I'm gonna try just doing those meal replacements for 3 days and see how much weight. Damn, I need to look sexy. I need to bring that sexy back. So kind of on a sad note, guys, this is the Walmart here in El Paso where the massacre happened. It happened about 2 years ago, so respects to all the people that, sounds ugly, but that were murdered. Respect. God bless y'all. But we're gonna go inside. Let's go inside, guys. Dollar Chalk, it sells for $9 on Amazon. They sell for $18.98 on Amazon. So that's $9 times 2. That's an easy $18 pickup. Damn fly. All right, I'm gonna weigh in, all right? No shoes. About $277. So this is what I got. I left my house at 12 p.m. I got home right now at 7 p.m. So I guess you could say 7 hours of work. Work and fun, basically. I have fun all day, every day. A lot of these books give me very high margins. I love selling TurboTax software too. I've sold a bunch of these before. Look at that, brand new, sealed in the box. I don't remember if I checked this one. I could have bought this by accident, I don't remember. Dickies sells very, very well on Amazon. This I plan to give away if it works. I'm gonna test it out. If it works, I'm gonna give it to somebody in need. So look for that on Instagram. But I'll probably post it before this video comes out. I'm gonna try these out. Amazon FBA. They had a good rank. A great rank, actually. So we got we have an anatomy textbook right there. And then coffee. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead. I am welcome to new subscribers, of course. And check that out. Not too shabby. I almost forgot. I love my job.